New York City cop on the trail of a killer. From the back alleys of Manhattan
Well, our victims are certainly Yakuza.
to the streets of Japan.
Because of your negligence, the man we wanted for a long time has been lost.
Now, come on, we'll take some of the heat for this, but we're not taking the rap.
Rap?
You see, there's a war going on here between Sato and an old-time boss named Sugai. And they don't take prisoners.
So where's your boss?
What? This isn't New York. We have rules here.
I seen Sato's work, okay? He ain't following your program.
You are foreigners, nothing more than interested observers.
No one's gonna help a Kaijin.
Kaijin?
You're a barbarian, a foreigner, me and you. More you.
Try to work like a Japanese.
Now, this is good. This ain't money. You got a counterfeiting war going on, guys.
You are civilians here. It is illegal for you to carry a gun.
Something tells me we should cut our losses and let the locals handle it around here.
I can't go back without him, Charlie.
Come on! He's getting away! I thought we were working together! The guy's getting away!
You have no part in this.
I am the solution to your problems. Well, it's not over yet.
Here I am, Nick!
We can get him, boss. You and me.
Michael Douglas, Black Rain.